Happy Sunday, everybody. Good morning. Meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you. Another check of that forecast on this November 24th. Yeah, we are 1 month away from Christmas Eve. So let that sink in. Yeah. We're going to start with a look at cloud cover, though, across the tri-state here. We have had 15 days so far this month that have featured some cloud cover, but 7 sunny days. And you think about that 15 cloudy days, that kind of tracks with what is average across the tri-state here. 17 days is a typical November with some clouds in here. It's one of our cloudier months, especially as we get into winter here. December as well as January and February, seeing a lot of that cloud cover as well. And we'll continue to see clouds this week. We're relatively nice today and probably Tuesday, but notice Monday, lots of overcast, and especially and unfortunately as we get toward the holiday on Thursday. Thanksgiving not looking very fun. If you're headed to grandma's house or another family member's, bring the umbrella, but not today. A nice mix of clouds and sunshine, 50s and 60s throughout the region today. Notice here all that sunshine this afternoon and this evening before the sun sets will also be clear briefly, but by tomorrow morning we are watching that increase in cloud cover yet again as our next system makes its way toward the area, and that could lead to some showers as a weak front crosses, most likely Monday night and into Tuesday. Very non-impactful showers, more of the nuisance variety for our Monday night, so really nothing to worry about, but nothing to worry about today. Maybe you're taking the kids to go cut down that tree for the holidays. You should be in good shape for it with those temperatures across the entire region here climbing into the 60s, which is about 5 to 8 degrees or so above normal for this time of the year. And we will stay very, very mild tonight. We should be in the mid-30s, lower 50s as all will fall because of that southerly flow. So a very mild start to our holiday week. If you're doing traveling on Wednesday, here's what it looks like right now. The most unsettled weather looks to be across the central part of the country and the worst around the Four Corners. Maybe some tricky travel in the Northeast, but locally for the most part we should be in pretty good shape for Wednesday. You're going to want to keep checking back with us for updates on that. Showers possible anytime after lunch on Monday. We dry out Tuesday and most of Wednesday before a more potent system gets in here. Thanksgiving right now is not looking very fun. Kind of a cold rain and breezy as well.
Governor Andy Beshear said